Chief guest of the 73rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, Sri Deputy CM of the State of Telangana, Sri Vikramark Garu, and Honorable Ministers, Sri Komatreddy Venkatreddy Garu and Sridhar Babu Garu, and President of IPCA, 73rd, Sri V. Parthasarathi Reddy Garu, LOC Chairman, Dr. J.S. Giri Garu, LOC Secretary, Dr. Ramkishan. Today's keynote address by Dr. Ajit Singh from Associated Capsules Group. Senior most veteran in the field of pharmacy, the first technical drug controller of the state of combined state, and past president of IPA and past president of IPCA, Dr. C. Gopala Krishnamurthy Garu, and Dr. Atul Nasa, president of IPGA, and Pankaj Bector, representing IHPA, Dr. Milind Umekar, president of Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India, and representative of Drug Control Organization, and scientific convener Roop Kar, and President All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists, Appaji Jay Shindeji, President Pharmacy Council of India, Montu Kumar Patelji, and Dr. Rao Adlamudi, former President of Commonwealth Pharmacist Association and former IPA President, and other scientific convener, Dr. G. Srinu Babu of Pulses Group, and LOC convener, Dr. Veer Raju, and IPCA members, Vasu Babu, Vasudev, Chakravarti, and other friends on the dais. Welcome to you all. Welcome to you all. At the outset, it is my privilege and honor to present the annual report of Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association, because I don't want to take much of your time. Ante the report is printed in the souvenir which was distributed, and also it was published on the website also. Only glimpses I will take for the information of the members as per the protocol we have to follow of the IPCA. Again, my humble request to all our good friends, let us remember sacrifices of COVID warriors, particularly the pharmacy people, and let us observe 1 minute mourning for the sake of the people who sacrificed their lives during the COVID-19 pandemic. Just I want to start my annual report. Be proud to be a pharmacist, because during this COVID-19 pandemic time, everybody thought 8 lakh doctors worked and 8 lakh nurses worked and more than 10 lakh government officials worked during this COVID-19. But it is highest number of healthcare professionals worked during COVID. It is pharmacists. More than 12 lakh pharmacists worked and worked day and night. That's why I want to say, feel proud to be a pharmacist. And this was appreciated by that time Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji, Minister of Roads and Transport. About IPCA, this is the apex body representing pharma industry, quality control, quality assurance, marketing, R&D, regulatory, academia, hospital and community. And IPCA is a federation of 5 national pharmaceutical associations. Indian Pharmaceutical Association was started in the year 1948, immediately after the independence. Indian Hospital Pharmacist Association since 1963. Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India since 1966. Indian Pharmacy Graduates Association from 1973. And All India Drug Control Officers Confederation from 1995. The IPC is a national annual event of pharmacists from all walks of pharmacy profession to deliberate various issues relating to industry, regulatory, academia, hospital and community, and to evolve collective wisdom for formulating newer policies for the country and for the betterment of mankind. This IPC is organized every year with the aim to project the image of pharmacist as a healthcare professional and to create the awareness about the pharmacy and pharmacy profession among us, the public. I recollect the days, I want the attention of Deputy Chief Minister Ji, Bhatti Vikramarka Ji, and Honorable Ministers. In the year 2005, when the IPC was organized in Hyderabad, Dr. Y. Rajshekar Reddy, sir, he inaugurated this conference. Indian Pharmaceutical Congress. That time it was announced that Pharma University, he has announced that Pharma University, later due to various reasons it was stopped. I request on behalf of all the pharmacy professionals from the state of Telangana, let Telangana be the first one to give a Pharma University, which is already in the loop line, sir. And for that, the Indian Pharmaceutical Association of Telangana State Branch mobilized 2 crores fund also, sir, as a contribution from the IPCA. So I request, please support this cause, noble cause, and let the state be the number one and first one to start a pharma university, sir. More than 200 pharmacy colleges, sir. Here, sir. That's what I want to request, sir. The first Congress was started in the year 1948. M.L. Shah, who is known as the father of pharmacy, that means still from the day of independence, we are organizing this great event of Indian Pharmaceutical Congress. And from 2007 onwards, every year IPC is organized by the Federating Association on rotation basis. This is the IPA team for the year 21-22. And these are the IPA nominees for 8 members. These are IHPA nominees, APTI nominees, IPGA nominees, AIDCOC nominees, and local organizing committee nominees of Nagpur. And we organized 3 meetings last year, one at Mumbai, Chennai, and again at Chennai, and 71st Statutory Council meeting. And minutes of the previous meetings were circulated from time to time. And this is how we organized the IPC. This is the previous IPC time. I don't want to take much of the time. And every year during the inauguration, the professionals from the pharmacy who served the profession are honored by various awards instituted by the Federating Association. Today also, during the inauguration, we are going to honor the awardees, sir. That is one of the agenda. And even students who got the highest percentage in their B.Pharm final year and highest grade point in their B.Pharm are also going to be honored. This is Scientific Service Committee and memorial lectures. After the inauguration, presidential symposium will be conducted, and afterwards memorial lectures will be conducted. And afternoon, the poster evaluations will be conducted. That's what I want to say, and I want to conclude. I thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity. I thank the Indian Pharmaceutical Association for organizing a wonderful Congress. I wish the Congress a grand success. And here, during the Congress, we had to take some resolutions. For that resolutions, 2 nominees from IPCA already identified yesterday. That is, one is Hemant Monkar and Nitin Maniyar, 2 from IP representatives. And I request the audience to select 2 members from the registered delegates who can be form of the resolution committee and who will prepare the resolutions from the scientific proceedings of these 3 days. Any suggestions from the members? 2 subject committee members from the delegates. You can approach our IPCA members or IPCA officer and you can suggest the names. What, Padnab Reddy, can you suggest? You prepare 2 names from the delegates, registered delegates, where we will form the resolution committee. So with these few words, I thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and thank the ministers for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir.